issue of a systematic persecution and campaign against the people of Matabeleland since the 80s. We've taken note of it. And we can't allow the perpetuation of this. In fact, to dramatize how bizarre it has been, Dubeko Spanda, the MP of Binga, of the Tonga people, the loving Tonga people, had actually not been sworn in, but he was recalled. So they had to ask for a swearing in so that they recall him just 5 minutes after that. How do you disrespect a people? It is not the party that sponsored it, that has withdrawn him. It's just an individual who has just emerged from nowhere. So we want that issue to be resolved. But we have said, over and above this, we are also ordering all our deployees to Parliament and local authorities to disengage from Parliament and from Council. Until this issue is resolved. And when I say disengage, we have not said that they have withdrawn. They are disengaging, meaning to say that no business shall be transacted until remedy and justice is done through the mechanism that we have. In fact, we are putting on notice all key stakeholders in the country, including civil society, SADC, AU, the EU, and the international community, including the United Nations, that we have a constitutional crisis in Zimbabwe, and that we have a disputed election in Zimbabwe. And we are going to run a campaign diplomatically, politically, in a peaceful manner, in a constitutional manner, because there are remedies within the Constitution, and we are going to exhaust them. A lot of people are saying, no, you are too slow, you are not able to do this. No, take it easy. We know what we are doing. We understand the pulse of this nation. We know our influence. We know our capacity. Organizing and mobilizing is not one of our weaknesses. We have many, but I can tell you that that is not one of our weaknesses. We can organize so well and mobilize so well that we can even persuade ZANU-PF members to be part of this legitimate issue, because poverty knows no political party. In fact, any action, any peaceful expression of discontent must not be a partisan one. It must also reach out to ZANU-PF. I'm extending this invitation to people in ZANU-PF to come together. Come, let us reason together. You are also victims, because you must know that poverty does not ask for a political party card. Suffering does not know a party card. We all suffer and we are all suffering.